Hello everyone, welcome to your first assignment of Catia training. In this assignment, we are going to use tools and command you have learned till now to draw this sketch. So let's get started. Select the line command and draw a line. Select constraint to give length. Double click to edit dimension. Give 50 mm. Now draw inclined line. Give 30 mm length. Zoom a little bit. Again select constraint. First, select this line, then this line to give an angle between them. Give 45-degree angle. Now draw a vertical line, give 20 mm. Draw another inclined line, give 30 mm length. Now draw a horizontal line. Finally, close this sketch. So this is our final sketch. Now left click and drag the mouse to select the sketch and press delete key to delete the sketch. Now we will draw this sketch. First, draw a axis line from the origin. Now draw a line. Give 40 mm length. Zoom a little bit. Draw an inclined line. Give dimensions. Draw a vertical line of 20 mm. You can see that this line is still not defined. It is white in color. So define distance of this line from the vertical axis line. Now you can see that line is turned into the green color, which means it is fully defined. This time draw a horizontal line of 20 mm, 10 mm vertical line, 20 mm line, 20 mm. Now draw a vertical line, give 20 mm length, draw inclined line. It is still in white color, means not defined. So give some angle to define the sketch. 45 degree. Draw 30 mm line, 40 mm. Give dimension to this line. Now what we are going to do is that we will mirror this whole sketch. First, select whole sketch. Press Ctrl key and select the removing lines. Now go to this mirror feature command and select the axis about which we want to mirror. So select this axis line and now you can see that our whole sketch is mirrored about the axis line. We will learn about mirror command in our upcoming lectures in detail. So here is our fully defined sketch. And don't forget to practice this assignment. And if you face any problem or you have any doubt, then contact to your personal instructor